just in time for Mustang week. Got my car all polished nice. This morning I went over it with the buffer and some wax. And so I got the bright idea, I don't know if you remember, but the wing that was on this was all, it had fish eyes on it and everything. So I got the bright idea, hey, I'm gonna sand that down and paint it so I'm not embarrassed for Mustang week. Yeah, well, I messed it up even more. Yeah, it didn't turn out very well. It's pretty rough, not smooth and shiny. My goal was to, I don't know why I didn't listen to my significant other, but my goal was just to go to the junkyard and get the wingless trunk that they have. Lewis, get in the house. Where are you going? Get in. So tomorrow, that's what I plan on doing. I'm gonna wake up early, get to the junkyard, get the wingless trunk, and wash it and polish it for tomorrow. Because tomorrow is the kickoff party at Hard Rock Cafe. It starts at 3 o'clock, so yeah, I should be able to get it done before then. Alright, made it to the junkyard. Hopefully they still have the black Mustang. And hopefully they didn't crush it. But yeah, let's go find it. Alright, we're in luck. Third brake light's in better condition than mine too. Yeah, let's get this off and get out of here so I can wash it and wax it and get it on my car. Alright, well, we got the hood. Might be a few little scratches on it, but nothing too bad. So yeah, now we gotta walk about a half a mile up to the office to get checked out. So now I'll get home, wash it up, polish it, and throw it on my car. All right, got the new old trunk back home. I washed it off. I have the Houston glue gun on this, but now I'm going to take off my old trunk, put this one on, and polish it up. So the trunk itself is pretty easy to take off. I'm going to take the hinge off because I'm going to reuse that on the new one, and then you got to take this wiring off, and that's just held in by little clips. I'm going to reuse the third brake light on the other one, and then it's just the hinges and these things, arms. Alright, got the old trunk off, so now I'm gonna polish the new one and switch over the badges, or the badge. So, like on my hood, all I'm using is this Meguiar's cleaner wax and a buffer. And that does the trick. It looks really good once it's done. So yeah, let's get started. So after the wax has dried for a few minutes, you can go ahead and get yourself a towel and wipe all the wax off, and you'll have a nice shiny looking hood or trunk lid, whatever you want to call it. Alright, moment of truth. Got the new trunk on. I haven't closed it to see what it looks like yet, but I'm sure it's going to look pretty good. So, here we go. Oh yeah. That looks so much better. That's not garbage, by the way. Those are old Halloween costumes. That definitely looks a lot better. Nice. So now I just got to do the emblem. Probably just get the goo off right now. Oh, well, before I do that, I need to make sure it opens. Yep. Perfect. Sweet. Alright, now to put on the finishing touches. Now it's complete. The ensemble is complete. Now I just got to find a good bumper. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. I think it looks pretty good. Maybe in the future I'll get a Cobra style duckbill wing, but that's gonna wrap it up for this one. Now it's time to take it to some Mustang Week activities. Peace.